Hello dear friend, there is a major update for DaVinci Resolve 19.1.1. If you haven't updated, please update. This is a very major update and it will boost the performance of your video editing software, and it will make your video editing very comfortable, dear friend. For this update, we have to come here. You see DaVinci Resolve. We are now in the interface of DaVinci Resolve. Just I was working and I found this update and update notification. We will just click here. You see here, check for updates here. Just we check. You see this is the actually update, dear friend. We will update here and we will now go through all the process, dear friend. Don't skip the video. We will, after this update, we will see what's the new features added to DaVinci Resolve 19.1.1. You know the DaVinci Resolve 19.1 was updated a week ago, and today the 2nd December this update has been already announced and it's available for us, dear friends. There will be a very interesting and we will observe all the performance. For this update, we just click here download. You see, it has directed me to DaVinci Resolve. Here you see it has directed me to the DaVinci Resolve. Now we are downloading the zip file and we will compress it and we will update, dear friends. It will be very interesting. We will see all the performance, new features, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Hello, dear friend. We have just downloaded. You see here we have zip file here. You see here we have file. This is the DaVinci Resolve Studio 19.1.1 for Windows. You can update for Linux and Mac machine here. And now we will just extract the file here. You see, extract all. In the same name, we will in the C drive, we will extract here. And very soon we will start editing and we will see what's the new feature, what's the new things, what's the stability and performance of the software. You see, we have extracted. This is the DaVinci Resolve here. You can see DaVinci Resolve installed Resolve 19.11. We will just double click here or we will run as administrator here. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to click yes. Now you see we are extracting here files here, all the files for updating DaVinci Resolve 19.1.1. Hello dear friend, we have extracted all the files here. No, okay, install everything. So we will click yes, install. You see DaVinci Resolve 19 here. We will click yes, next. Just we have to agree, accept the agreement. Click yes, next, install. We are finishing all the process here, and just we will start seeing the new features here. So please wait while the setup wizards installs DaVinci Resolve. Okay, close all that and restart them. Yes, we will restart it. So please wait. It's all the process is under progress here. So we are now finishing the update here, dear friend. And okay, finish. No, it's you see installing the DaVinci Resolve. Installation is completed here. Now we will come here and we will start the DaVinci Resolve here. You see here, the DaVinci Resolve is here. We will just start. Now we are starting the DaVinci Resolve here 19 here. 19. This is the DaVinci Resolve 19.1.1, and we will come to our project here. You see, we have here the project. So we are now in the updated DaVinci Resolve 19.1.1. Here you can check our version. Here you can DaVinci Resolve here. You see now we have DaVinci Resolve here. This is actually 19.1.1 build here version. Here we have the main which is you see fusion titles. Some titles have been added which already we have seen in the DaVinci Resolve 19.1. So in that updated, this is actually the you see this circle here. Such type of new fusion titles are very fashionable titles have been very fashionable titles. Such five titles you see, sir, circus titles here, comic titles have been added here in the here in this update. You see here, you see here the this glass title have been added. This is a glossy blue title. Here you see gradient blue titles have been added. Once I like very much, this is actually the paw. You see this is paw sample here. Just I want to show you how we can actually use it in our project here. We can drag here. I want to enlarge here on our timeline, and I want to write here DaVinci tutorials here. DaVinci tutorial here, and you can customize the size from here, change the size like in this way, and you can change the color from here if you want any color. For example, I want this color. You can add these colors here. It's a very good, very effective. Actually, these titles has been added, dear friend, in the update DaVinci Resolve 19.1. And if you like this class, if you know, if you understand this class is helpful to you, dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you, dear friend. You see this in this way you can change the color from here, other color. You see second color from here, you can take like this color. You see here, you see in this way color you can change some like this color. You can green, like green here. I like green more, like in this way you can add the. Now we see the effect, how the effect we just we play. This is actually our fusion nowadays series. We have started about the fusion from the basic to beginners to intermediate to advanced. You can join our class. And now we come here, other basic things. I like this rainbow text. We will just click here wherever you want to add rainbow text. We can type here. Our channel is resolve for you. We'll type here resolve for you. See resolve for you. From here you can make the size bigger, like in this way. You see bigger. So you see how this is a fashionable title here. You can add keyframing here, and you can change the font from here. Any font you can take. Which font do you like? Just explore, come here and see which font do you like. This open classic, open symbol, this type of this open classic. I like this font you can add and make your channel like very fashionable looking to your clip, dear friend. And now we just explore because I haven't explored very well. You see this is actually already this actually this sign off you can add to your clip here. You see now this is clip we are editing here in our timeline. And you see sample, in sample you can write here, for example, tutorial here. And you see how it's effective, like you can bigger, make like bigger here. I know we just play here. So you see there's such titles we have added, and you can change color from here. You can take any color, like in this color. If I like this yellow color, I will change. And here the tab spacing you can add. Here more advanced things you can do, but normal you can understand from here. There are settings from here. You can add settings here and enable. You see settings you will add to your clip from here. And the blue border you can add, like this beautiful blue border you can add to your clip from here. This is actually a very major update, dear friend. Update your software. And when we come here, you see this is the tangerine samples. This is a slime. This is speed. In this way you have to you see statement. This has also, this is new for me. I am just exploring you in front of you, dear friend. I just so we just drag and put anywhere here. You see no, it's actually on our timeline. And we can write here, for example, resolve for you. Our subscribe the channel resolve for you, dear friend, for more DaVinci Resolve tutorial here. We can make size bigger, like here you see is smaller. And you know how to change your color. You can change from here. You can red, you can like green. Yeah, I like this color, so you can add like this. No, we play just pause the, and you can add keyframing here. I know other text here, or most of text some are very advanced things in DaVinci Resolve 19.1 update. In the update, those effects have been already added. I have tutorials. Go on, you see that updates very important here. You see such type of text. Actually, this text new. This actually volcano text. This have been added in DaVinci Resolve na update 19.1, dear friend. Now we come main update which I like very much, and it make your video very effective, very professional, dear friend. You know, DaVinci Resolve is a king in video editing softwares. It's actually after this you see such type of effect fusion. This stinger transition already added in the last update when beta update was already available. We were using in that time. This is also new, only 3 months ago added. And you see this transitions actually you can add to your tutorial. For our tutorial, you see this is our tutorial we have added here. And here I can just close the gap. And no, I just play here. You see how it beautiful will be. Dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to show. You see, in this way you can add such type of just fashionable this fusion generators here. We can take this. You see this cube array, and we can add, and we can even add text from here. You see here. You see, and here we can take a text. We come to this update and titles, just which I have showed you here. We can take this O here, this O effect. Now you see here, and we will add here this DaVinci DaVinci Resolve update 19.1.1. And we will make the size smaller. This is actually our update. You see now this is a class for update. For example, I will, you see how it will be. You see, you can make your video editing like this. Now I will just remove it, and I can take other generator which have been added. You see here, this is honeycomb. You see this. It's actually, you see, now I see our class. If it's helpful, dear friend, please join our tutorial class, dear friend, on YouTube. We have every week 2-3 videos on the DaVinci Resolve. You see here. You see, in this way you can change. It is so fantastic, dear friend. I can't imagine. It's a so strong video editing software. The DaVinci Resolve. We can change color here from we will get. I like this color, so you see, no, we play just with it. You see, we can here we can add any sound effect. We can take, and now we I want to show I want to show you other like here. You see this gradient, so it has been added, and you see this disk wall. We'll take disk wall and we see this effect. See how using this POW or text effect in this update and this DaVinci Resolve, this disk value. See how we have made intro class. In this way, you can add at the end of your video, and it will be like outro intro. You can, and you see we can add take this start. This also in the DaVinci Resolve update 19.1 have been added. You see, you see how it's beautiful. It's actually amazing. Actually amazing, dear friend. You see how it's just so good. Make your video so effective after. And we can take. I want to show you. You just try one by one, and you will understand. Actually, this was made update. This is a vintage texture we can use for some purpose. In the next class, we learn this and try this all on YouTube. You see cartoon cloud effect. We will just add to this text here, and we see how this effect will be on our clips here. See how amazing it's such a. You see, you can add keyframing more after. We have no time actually, but we can add keyframing here and make more beautiful from here. You see, we have available all type of keyframing here. In the next class, write in comment box if you want more special class about this. I will make and take other effect that different here. See, this gradient line we can add, and we see which type of effect we can create from here. See, oh, you see, good. Resolve 19. So, dear friend, we learned here what's this update, and we come to site of this black magic now, and we read here. You see, DaVinci Resolve Studio 19.1.1. This actually here just today updated here. You see the following features have been added. Edit page, you see address and issue displaying track control in the edit page. This was most of the update in this 19.1.1 is a bug fixing, and you see here address opacity and header previews within non-block background. All are more technical. In Fusions, you see such type. Read one by one. Color page, this update for colors page, address timeline, thumbnail displays for some spider photos, appear light for audio page, this updates and general updates. You see here address availability of shutter angle metadata as a tag. This you see for some codec here H.265 encode issues with older NVIDIA graphic card. You have old NVIDIA graphic card, you must update this DaVinci Resolve. It will work fine now. You see, render option for Windows 10 media player also update have been added in this update. And you see minimum system requirement for Mac. You read and this Windows. You see 16 GB system memory and 30 GB when using Fusion, because in Fusion you need more memory consumption. I work in most of time nowadays in Fusion, so understand I have NVIDIA strong graphic card 12 GB RTX 3060. It's working very fine, dear friend. NVIDIA Studio drivers newer. Yeah, such type of effect have been added. Read one by one on Blackmagic Pro. I will add this link in our description box, dear friend. And today, which we learn this tags. You see this tags. It's a beautiful tags. Try on your clip, dear, and write after the comment box. And this is our Fusion class. It will also I will upload on YouTube, and you can, if you want to learn Fusion, join our class on the YouTube, dear friend. And we take this honeycomb effect. You see hexagon glow. I want to add here actually. You see here. I want to add such effect, and you see here at the end, and I will take here from here. I will just come. I want to copy here. Alt, just click Alt and drag. No, I will drag here to our timeline here. Here, you see here. I will put here, and we can. You can write from here. You see, in this way, I have the DaVinci 19 update. Here I can write because this is the last. Please subscribe the channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, and we can write. You see how we outro. You can add such type of video. You see here. And you can add keyframing because it will be beautiful. And here you see animation. You have to start like here, like in this way. Animation start here, here. You can add animation in the next class. We learn because we have no time. And dear friend, we meet in the next class. Take care, bye, and don't forget to update DaVinci Resolve 19.11. Take care, bye.